In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Gmail with Google Tasks to add notes and due dates to your emails. This simple yet powerful feature can help you stay organized and productive by turning your emails into actionable items on your to-do list. So let's get started. First, we begin by navigating to the Gmail inbox. Open up your web browser and type in mail.google.com to access your inbox. Once you're there, you'll want to select the email that you wish to transform into a task. Take your time to sift through and choose the email that's most pertinent or urgent. Once you've selected your email, look towards the top right corner of the email window. You'll find a small icon depicting 3 vertical dots, often referred to as the More or Options menu. Clicking on this reveals a drop-down menu with a variety of actions you can perform. Scrolling through these options, you'll see the Add to Tasks option. Go ahead and click on it. This action will immediately add the selected email as a task in Google Tasks, conveniently linking your emails to your task list. After your email has been added to Google Tasks, you'll notice a Tasks pane appearing on the right side of your Gmail screen. Here's where the real magic happens: customization. Every task can have additional details added. Click on the task that you just created and you'll see a section for details below it. This is where you can input any additional information or notes that are relevant to the task. For instance, you can jot down key points from the email or action steps that need to be taken. Moreover, while you are in the details section, feel free to edit the task title as well. Often, the default title might just reflect the subject of your email, which might not truly represent the specific task or action needed. Click on the title field to edit it, giving you the flexibility to rename your task to something more descriptive or actionable. Remember, this task is now a part of your Google Tasks list, and you can manage it just like any other task. Assign a due date to it if necessary, or move it between different task lists if you have multiple projects or categories you're working on. And with that integration, checking off tasks completed from your inbox has never been easier. That wraps up our easy to follow tutorial on using Gmail with Google Tasks. As you've seen, it's a straightforward process that enhances your productivity by allowing you to contextualize and manage your emails in a task-oriented manner. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips and tricks. See you in the next video.